The birth of Agile. The term Agile is one that is often used and misused in the software development industry. Given that Agile is so closely related to Scrum, let us nail down exactly what Agile means and how it is relevant in context of Scrum. By the end of the 1990s, there was a broad consensus of thought leaders who recognized the shortfalls of waterfall, no pun intended, software development. Many of them founded their own new iterative methods of software development. Iterative development is fundamentally different from waterfall. As opposed to upfront phases with lots of upfront requirements gathering, iterative methods contain many phases of requirements, design, implementation, testing, and delivery within a number of weeks. This allows the business to release a few features early and make some return on investment. They also get to discover potential issues early and change requirements far more often. Working in iterations also allows the project to react to people pinching through periodic replanning. Many of these iterative methods were also lightweight since their founders believed in performing the simplest task possible to solve any given problem.